Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're diving into a world we rarely think about: trash. Where does it all go after the truck hauls it away? The answer is more complex and lucrative than you'd expect. Waste isn't just garbage, it's a multi-billion-dollar global industry full of innovation and opportunity. We're about to uncover 15 things you didn't know about waste management. Let's get into it. The U.S. produces nearly 300 million tons of municipal solid waste every year, about 5 pounds per person per day. Managing this is a non-stop logistical feat, needing vast infrastructure to collect, sort, and process our endless stream of trash. This constant demand forms the backbone of the waste management industry. The scale reveals just how economically powerful this sector is. Trash is always in demand. Everyone produces it, every day. Major companies like Waste Management and Republic Services thrive on steady recurring revenue and control over landfill space. This business is built on necessity, not trends. Modern landfills capture methane from decomposing waste, turning a greenhouse gas into renewable natural gas. This gas powers trucks or is sold to the grid, creating new revenue streams. Turning liabilities into assets is now standard in the industry. Recycling is a massive operation. Waste Management processed over 15 million tons of recyclables last year. High-tech facilities use AI, magnets, and optical scanners to sort materials at lightning speed. This technology keeps resources in the economy and reduces the need for new raw materials. Recycling reimagined. Sanitation work is one of America's most dangerous jobs, with high rates of workplace fatalities. Workers face risks from traffic, heavy machinery, and hazardous materials, often before sunrise in all weather. It's a tough, essential job that keeps our communities running. Next time you see your local crew, remember the risks they take. Imagine trash whisked away through underground tubes. No trucks, no noise. Automated vacuum collection systems like those in Disney World and parts of NYC move waste quickly beneath our feet. These systems cut emissions and boost urban hygiene. It's a glimpse into the future of city waste management. Sweden recycles or recovers energy from over 99% of its household waste. So efficiently, it now imports trash from other countries. Advanced incineration plants turn imported waste into electricity and heat for Swedish homes. Other nations pay Sweden to take their garbage, fueling a circular economy. One country's trash becomes Sweden's valuable resource. E-Waste Old Electronics creates a global tsunami of toxic and valuable materials. In 2019, the world generated over 53 million metric tons, most of it unrecycled. Billions in precious metals are lost, while land and water are polluted. It's a massive economic and environmental failure. Landfills are a major source of methane, a greenhouse gas much more potent than CO2. Satellite data shows thousands of super-emitter events at landfills worldwide. Capturing methane and diverting organics is urgent. The invisible crisis has real consequences. Massachusetts banned large-scale food waste from landfills, requiring composting or digestion instead. The result? Less methane, more valuable compost, and a model for other states to follow. Strict enforcement and strong infrastructure made it work. Smart policy like this can truly transform waste management for the better. 75% of U.S. waste is recyclable, but only 30% gets recycled. That gap means $11.4 billion in valuable materials end up in landfills every year. It's not just an environmental issue, it's a massive economic loss. We're throwing money away. During Hajj, Makkah uses smart bins with sensors and AI to handle the surge in waste. Real-time data creates efficient routes, saving fuel and keeping the city clean. It's a high-tech solution for extreme conditions. The future of waste is intelligent and connected. Pay-as-you-throw systems charge residents for the trash they generate, not a flat fee. This simple change boosts recycling and cuts landfill waste by up to 38%. Used across Europe, the US, and Asia, it proves financial incentives work. A little nudge, big impact. Businesses generate much more waste than households. Cardboard stands out. 80% of retailers and grocers recycle it, since it's valuable and easy. When recycling makes business sense, companies join in. The right incentives encourage participation. That's the business of waste. Americans throw away $68 million in loose change every year. In Pennsylvania, one plant recovers coins from ash after burning trash, reclaiming millions. Even literal treasure can be found in garbage. There's value everywhere, if you know where to look. Trash doesn't disappear. It powers economies, sparks innovation, and shapes our world. The challenges are huge, but so are the opportunities for smarter, more sustainable solutions. Thanks for joining us on Entrepreneurial Edge. If you learned something new, like and subscribe for more. Stay curious.